How to add family members on Facebook. In order to do that, click right here to your three line, and then from in there, just click on your name in order to go to your profile. From in there, scroll down, and here you can see your about info. So click on this tier about info, and you can see in here all of things right here. What we can do is we can scroll down, and from in here we can see this family members option. And as you see, we don't have any family members yet. So click on this add family member. And then from in there, we can see this add family member option. So what we can do is we can just enter in your name, then just add them, and then choose your relationship. So you can choose mother, father, and anything right here. So I'll choose sister, and then click on the save. And then on here, you can see that actually pending for approval. So just wait for this to actually be approved by other party. So that's how you add family members on Facebook. Hope we help.